All right, ready?
Yep.
Okay, so this obviously is the upper extremity model, or the arm, as you want to call it. Basically, okay. Basically, when we're up here in the armpit, this artery is considered the axillary artery, which is like for axilla for the armpit. Okay. Once it comes out of the armpit and goes into the actual arm, right here, where the artery is right here, this is where it's considered the brachial artery for arm, because that's and basically, to remember this, you just remember it's the brachial artery where you normally put the blood pressure cuff in their arm, okay? The brachial artery does continue down. He wants us to focus on this part of the artery and not for our purposes, just to look at this one, okay? So this is still the brachial artery. This area is considered the antecubital fossa, which is considered, the front part of the elbow. I'll show you on my arm. It's on this part of your elbow. All right, so that's the antecubital fossa. So you'll notice the brachial artery continues, and then it's going to basically, he says it's going to end up splitting, but you really can't see it here. So he's not going to trick you. Just remember that the brachial artery becomes the radial artery when it gets down here. The way to remember this is that it's on the thumb side, okay? And also, I guess, the radius. And then on this side, you're just going to focus on this part right here. This is going to be considered the ulnar artery, and the way to remember that is obviously the ulna, or you can remember it's on the pinky side, okay? So he's either going to label it here for ulnar artery or here for radial artery.